NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with my everyday simple fall look. This is the look right here. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Right, so I've already moisturized and cleansed and have my serums on to my skin, and I'm going to use my everyday foundation. This is one of them by Fit Me by Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 315 Soft Honey. I love this foundation. It is a great everyday foundation. Now, I haven't been wearing foundations every day because we have to wear these masks and things, but when I do go out really somewhere, I do pick this up for everyday wear if I really want to look a little bit put together for, like, you know, I'm running to the grocery stores, errands, things like that. I picked this up, so because this is just going to be a light coverage, quick and simple look. Taking my brush, and I like to stubble it on. I find that stubbling just makes my foundation go on better, and it's like pushing it into the skin. Now I'm taking my beauty sponge, just going over it to tap off any of the excess makeup or foundation that's on. And I'm actually blending out any lines. You don't want any lines separating your foundation and your neck. It just makes, it looks really bad. So you want to make sure we blend all of that out and get anything that's left on your face just sitting there. You don't want that. Next, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows, and I think this is a brow styler. I don't know if it's by Maybelline but I would definitely put this in if I can find it. Brow pencil. I think it's by Maybelline or L'Oreal, one of them. And I'm just brushing them up first, and then I'm lining my eyebrows where I want them to go. Again, remember, you're not going to get them as perfect as you like or just alike. They're sisters, not twins. That's my motto. And so I use two. I use a dark brown, okay, and then I use an auburn because it matches my hair color. And I'm just filling this in. Darker here, and then I'm going lighter up toward the front because your eyebrows tend to look a little lighter up here and darker toward the back. So I'm making it as realistic as I can. Same here, darker toward this area. I really like to, I don't like the square look of my eyebrow. I like a natural fade out, you know, that just looks better on my face. Now I'm going to take this highlighter from Milani, and I'm going to clean it up. Now I also have one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you have this one, you can do it with this one as well, but this is really affordable. This costs about $2 or $3, so if you can find this, here it is right here. It's by Milani. It has a highlighter on one end and like more of a brown contour type on the bottom. And I like it. I just love to use this to clean it up. It's so easy and simple. I finished using my Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I'm just going to start buying this. It's easy, it's affordable, it does the same thing at an affordable price. So, yes. And I'm just going to go up under here and clean it up. So much easier than using concealer. I like doing it this way. a little bit of I'm just going to add a little bit of my Forever Skin Correct from Dior. Or you can use whatever concealer that you like. And I also like this one by Milani, Conceal and Perfect by Milani. Love this. This is a really, I have two. I love these. These are really good. But today I just want to use this. I'm trying to use up, I have so many different products, so I try to use up what I have on hand. So these, I never use my expensive ones, so I need to use up some of these concealers and foundations. Sometimes I mix foundations, you know, just to get my use out of them. I have so many, and I will not let them go to waste. Yeah, this is just going to make my eyeshadow blend better. But I'm really not going to use eyeshadow today. I'm actually going to just use my contour palette. This gives a very nice look to your eyes, a nice fall type look, especially when you're using the contour side. I can use one of my favorite contour powders or bronzing powders. You can use that as well. It's the Charlotte Tilbury, but today I haven't used any of these, so I'm going to use this side right here, the darker side, for my eyelid, all over. Just for a all over look. Now I'm going to take this and I'm just going to bring it all the way down right over here. It helps contour your nose without actually doing a lot of contouring your nose. So let's bring it kind of down right up in this area. And you still want to blend upward, especially when you have aging eyes like I do. You want to lift everything up. Everything is lifted. Then I'm just going to take that same shade and just concentrate it. If you have a bronzer that's a little darker, you can actually just do the same thing. This is just so easy, quick. I love the way this looks. The last time in my last video, you all complimented me, and this is what I did. This is exactly the look that I did. You can just bring this right on down. And this gives you a natural contour. Easy. What I'm going to do is take this, it's a highlighter right here. And I'm just going to take this and just apply it right over my lid. Really easy, simple, and quick. I'm going to take this brown liner by NARS. And I love this liner. I'm just going to, right in my waterline, apply this brown liner. I'm going to smoke it out later. And I'm really careful with my eyes because I don't want to put them exactly down, so I'm kind of pulling them to the side and applying it. And that's why I love these big ones like this. And I'm just going to apply it right over my lid line where I would put my liner. I just want to apply this right over here. I'm using my lash curler just to curl my lashes. And with everyday looks, I do not wear false lashes. Now I'm just going to take a fine little brush and just right up under my lash line. Smoke that liner out and add a little bit of that bronzer to it to give it that smoky appeal. And you can do the same thing with that. Once you lined your lid, just go right back over it with that bronzer. And this is, I'm going into the deeper bronzer in this Ace Beauty palette right here, Contour and Pro. I'm just going to go right over it because I want to give it a smoky look without lining my lids. And so this is more of a natural, easy type look. I'm just taking that brown and just bringing it out. We're going to clean everything up later. Okay, this is a lip liner from Rimmel London. It's so small. I need to get another one. It's called Coffee Bean, my favorite lip liner. It's called Ultra HD Matte Lip Color by Revlon. And the name of this one, let's see. I don't see if it's a... I don't see a name. I don't see a name, but it is this color right here. This is the lip color that I had on one of my videos and everyone complimented me on it. And it's by Rimmel, and this is by Revlon. It's called Metallic. Usually this look right here usually takes me really real time, like 5 or 6 minutes, really, because I do it so quick. It's so easy. I add my powder, my Charlotte Tilbury powder, or whatever powder that you like to it. I'm going to take my setting spray. I love usually Milani setting spray, but I am completely out. This is Milani Dewy setting spray, so I'm going to use the Airbrush Flawless setting spray by Charlotte Tilbury. I need to use this stuff. Right back in and adding a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner right here, because I forgot to do that. And this is it. This is the final look. This is without lashes. I do not wear lashes every day, so I really want to show you a simple everyday fall look. This is it. I hope this video was helpful. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.